If you want to eject the SIM tray from a Motorola Moto G87, but you don't have the eject tool, then there are a couple of alternative tools that you can use in order to pop the SIM tray out of your phone. So the best tool that you can use is probably a paper clip. So if you have like a small paper clip, you can unfold it so one end is straight, and then you can insert it gently into this SIM eject hole over here, and then press until the SIM tray pops out of your phone. You can also use an earring post. So if you have like a plain metal stud earring that is not a hook, or it doesn't have like a decorative end or something, then you should be able to use it as well. Just make sure that it is clean and straight, and then you can insert and press gently to pop out the SIM tray. Sewing needle or pin works well because it's thin, so you can use that as well. You want to hold it steady and press straight in. You want to always avoid angled pressure. Besides that, you can use a mechanical pencil tip as well without the lead. So if the lead is retracted, for example, then you should be able to carefully put it in. However, usually mechanical pencil tip has plastic tips, and they can break when you apply a bit of pressure, so you want to be very careful with that. And it only works on some smartphones, so it's not entirely certain that it's gonna work in here as well. I don't have a mechanical pencil tip, so I cannot really show you that, but of course you can give it a try. Now, if you are wondering what to avoid using, what not to use, then you definitely don't want to use like toothpicks or wooden sticks or just anything wooden, because it easily breaks off. Safety pins with rounded ends won't work as well. Screws or nails should be avoided, and anything thick or blunt should not be used either. And once you have anything that is of course thin enough and straight enough and sturdy enough so that it fits this little hole over here, then you can just put it in and then apply a bit of pressure, like a gentle pressure into the phone, just like that, and then the SIM tray slightly pops out. Then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to fully remove it from the phone. There we go. And then of course you can insert your SIM card or also the memory card, and then just put it back into the phone, slide it all the way in, and make sure that the SIM tray does not pop out. I mean, it doesn't stick out of the phone, it should be actually fully in. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.